Okay, so I just wanted to show you that these things were done. They're very cool and they just pop out. So you can see because it's silicone. Pretty. And there they are. Okay. So I wanted to show you that real quick. Now we're ready to decorate our tops. Now I noticed that the majority of the crowns had pearls on the top, so I thought, yeah, that's pretty. Works for me. So we're going to go ahead and get some fondant out. This does not have to have, I know it says green, it's not. White. White pearls, we're not doing green pearls. Though I think black pearls would hardly be pretty. Okay, so a little bit of fondant. You don't have to have Tylose in it. And we're gonna roll it in a spot that doesn't have any red, and you wanna roll it fairly thin. Now, one way to roll evenly is to use your, we've done this before, I've showed this a million times, is to use your smoother to help roll it. And if you wanted a certain size, you can actually take whatever size you want, like your paintbrush or a pencil or whatever size you want to roll, and put it there and that'll help stop it when it gets to be the right size. But we aren't doing that. Okay, so there you go. Doesn't have to be even because you've got a mold you're using, the excess will just squish out anyway. But what we do want to do is grab a paintbrush. And you want to dust your mold. Because these are pearls, I'm going to dust them with Super Pearl. I do not expect anybody to eat these pieces. They're hard as a rock. So I would remove them from the cake. Someone's going to break a tooth. All right. And then I actually do it on here too, just to make sure nobody's sticking anywhere. What you're going to do is hold it open, press down, and then squeeze it. Okay? Squeeze it together. And then you take your little knife, run it along. And then you open it up, and they should already be dusted. Little pearls already done up. And if you need to, you can run this along here to help release it. Okay. And they're already dusted for you. If they aren't, you can run a little more dust on what you need. Any part stuck. Okay. But that little ridge right there, they have the molds now that are just, they're not full three-dimensional pearls, they're just a half. Those would work great on this because then you'd stick it on here and it's just half a pearl, but I didn't have that, so I'm using this is my gum glue. My really old gum glue. So just brush a little on and it's going to go like so. Now the bottom of this, is going to be covered up. This very bottom part is going to goes all the way down to the bottom of the cake, so you don't want the pearls down there. Okay. So there we go. Put them on. Okay. Now if you really want to, you can finish off these edges. I figured I had done enough work with this cake. There was no way I was going to pipe or use a clay gun and put something else on it. It would make a nice finish to do a nice bull-nosed edge on here or something, but I wasn't going to do it. So you certainly can, if you got time on your hands.